Hi there, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where you'll learn American culture and business know-how to become confident in English. At conferences or business events, people will talk a lot about their company, their goals, their story, and you can meet all the right people and get business insights that will help you to boost your career. And those are really valuable opportunities, so you don't want to get stuck on essential words that everybody uses, but that you don't understand. So I want to help you to keep your credibility and reach your goals, and that starts with a review of some common vocabulary from the world of entrepreneurs. Let's go. Let's define an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who starts their own business. Often they'll try to cater to a specific niche. And a niche or niche, you can use both pronunciations, well, that's a targeted segment of society. And entrepreneurs can offer both products or services. They can lead their company and not their enterprise. That word is not used this way in English, but they can lead their company on the road to being profitable. And profitable just means that they make more money than they spend. Now, sometimes instead of focusing on profits, they can focus on growth. And that means that they want to get bigger and bigger. And when they grow their company, they're able to serve or to help many more people from the start. Their clients, their customers, the people who buy their solutions. Now, what's the difference between client and customers? Technically speaking, clients buy services and customers buy products. But in reality, we kind of use the two interchangeably. Those are the basics. Now, of course, the vocabulary for entrepreneurs is often a bit stranger than this. And sometimes you may wonder if the other person is speaking English or some other strange language. Let's look. A business can help other businesses in B2B. That's business to business, B2B. Or maybe they sell directly to private clients in B2C, business to customer. For example, Speak English with Christina is both B2B and B2C. We work with both businesses and with private clients. If a business is selling software, do they sell their software as a product in SAAP by letting clients download and use the program on their own? Or do they sell subscriptions to their software as a service in SaaS instead? Is it a freemium, a product that's free at first, but where you need to pay to upgrade to a better service? Or do they offer a trial period where customers can use their software for free for a limited time before they decide to buy or not? You might also hear about strategies of content marketing or inbound marketing. This means that the company creates good content like blog posts, podcasts, or videos so that people find and visit the company's website by themselves. And once you have a business idea, you start building up your MVP. Now, in sports, this acronym means most valuable player. But in business, we're talking here about the minimal viable product. It's the least ambitious thing that you can sell quickly, often with very few bells and whistles or special features. And the idea behind your MVP is to have proof of concept. And that means that you prove that your concept attracts customers first, and then you can start improving to make it even better. When you start growing, it's time to think about scalability. Does your business still work if it gets 10 times more clients? Or is everything gonna fall apart once you try to get 100 times more clients? Can you scale your business, or do you need to stay small? And if all goes very well, you can even work a little magic. You enter the enchanted entrepreneurial forest as a unicorn. And that is a tech company that's worth over $1 billion. When telling your own story, you'll need to adapt it to your audience and to your situation. Maybe you want to share how you finally found the job you always wanted, or how you got a lot of help from your mentor, someone, with more experience who helped you to overcome your difficulties, or even how you finally managed to get a big break, and that is a short period of time with a lot of growth and success. People might want to hear about your achievement, the actual results that you got from that adventure. Another story that you can tell is about your drive, your determination to get things done, the reasons behind it. Maybe you just want to solve the problems of your customers. Maybe you want to add value to your clients' lives to give them a solution that gives them the most bang for their buck. Or maybe you're a bit more idealistic. After all, starting your own business can be a way to make a difference in the world. So you can tell us how you want to make the world a better place. Now, you tell me, what is your story? Tell us about you, your business, or what motivates you to get up in the morning and to do a great job. I love stories like this, so please share them in the comments below. You just need to start typing, for instance, my company is, and then tell us the rest. It's a great way to practice your English. And if you would like to become more fluent, more confident, and work with one of my expert teachers, check out my new program, Speak English Confidently. It combines private training sessions with regular conversation practice so that you speak more correct English more fluently. Details are below the video. All right, thanks so much for improving your English with me, and I'll see you next time.